just because it looks intentional doesn't mean it looks good. Hello, my freaks. Let's see what wondrous outfit Jaime has for us today. Whoa! What? What are these colors? This is nothing regular me would have ever picked. Even just the shirt with the pants, I wouldn't think of. Then we have a chartreuse, couple of items, and then the earrings are like a whole different yellow. Ugh! And then the red. And then the necklace to tie it all together, I guess. At least this look is fun and more inspiring than the last few have been, so let's go for it. Oh, I was hoping it would be better on, but if anything, it's just bigger and badder in real life. The one small mercy is that we can't see the bralette, so it's just one less thing to clash, so that's nice. And to Jaime's credit, if you're gonna do socks with sandals, you want it to look intentional, but just because it looks intentional doesn't mean it looks good. I think the worst part is the pants, because everything else is kind of light and bright, and then the pants are so muted. The pants are also kind of like a major anchor of the base of the outfit, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But I gotta fix something, stat. Alright, I took off the socks and did the sock color in a shoe, and my toes are already red, which I think is enough red. So this is already a huge improvement. I do regret a little bit that we no longer have the red strap on the shoe matching the red strap on the belt, because it seemed like Jaime did that pretty intentionally, but I just couldn't handle that situation. I took all the red off, and I'm really glad I stuck it out with the pants actually, because I think this is more the star of the outfit, just this color combination. And then I don't know what the red was doing there. I think maybe we're just gonna go with like the lipstick and the nails, and that's enough. I don't even really want to keep the necklace, but gonna try one more thing. Oh, wow, I like this way more than I thought I would. I think we're just gonna replace all the red and the statement necklace with this necklace and call it good. Oh, I just covered up the earrings because they're actually not that bad since the more greenish yellow is way down here. You don't really notice it, but I felt like it was just too much with the necklace, so we're just gonna not look at those. But yeah, I appreciate Jaime's color combination. I would not have chosen this, and I ended up really liking it. Wait, I think I have the perfect thing. Hold on. Ah, I think I think this is even better than the necklace. I don't think we need both. Like I like them both, but I think I would want one or the other, and I think I like the glasses more. So normally I try to keep more pieces of Jaime's vision, but since this outfit was so wild to begin with, I kind of want to pare it down more. Yes! This is so good. Good job, Jaime and regular me. What a great collab. Um, where would I wear this? I would wear this to be in my own video game, right? I could totally see myself just like pixelated and wandering around doing video game stuff. Would you wear this? Where would you wear it? And who do you think won this look? Regular me or Jaime? And be honest, if you said Jaime, are you high? You've got to be high if you think Jaime won this. I look so good. Thanks for watching. Buckle up for safety.